All right, so gentlemen, where are your worksheets? From today, guys, every day we come in there in the same spot, okay? Calculators, worksheets, everything in the same spot. So please, while you do your do now, please bring your homework up to me. I'm collecting it, okay? You forgot, Michael? You left it in? What were you doing, Lionel? Okay, Lionel, let me ask you a question. As a teacher, if I hear a student tell me another class was more important than my class, the one time I give you homework in a week, okay? Tomorrow bring it in, all right? It better be top notch, okay? Jacqueline, thank you so much. Michael, yes, I'm ready for your excuse. Go ahead.
I have everything, but no,
Okay, give me what you have.
no, this is in my house.
It's in your house. So you want me to go to your house and check? Homework from yesterday, what you missed. Luciana, you have your homework? So nobody else has their homework. Ruyan. Homework, yes? Stephen, Hanjin? Carol? Pencil? No, you have it. Bring it. Come on. Thank you so much. There you go. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. Gracias. Sarah, thank you. And we're still working on our do now, right? So this sheet will be graded too. You're good. Thank you so much. You can go after, who asked me first? Luciana. After Carol. Yes, where were you, Ariana? Where were you? Have you? Are you okay? Welcome back, all right?
Good morning.
Good morning.
We have a new student, Jose. Good morning.
Yes, but here, hold it. And you monitor your time. You know when you can go, okay? Okay, we have a new student. So Teddy, hello, welcome to the class. Elizabeth. Elizabeth, I'm glad to see you on time today. Every day till the end of the month, you'll get your grade, okay? You want to go sit down. Joe, welcome back to Ravallo. Joe Alonso, not here? Elias, good morning.
Ya no está el otro papel. ¿Qué putas? Esa es la tarea, ¿cierto? Sí, y ahí no está el papel que supuestamente yo di, o solo le entregué los títulos. No, sino porque ya no tenía los papeles.
Damaso? Jose Paulino, not here today? Oh, where are you, sir? Right here. Oh, switch it up on me. Thank you, Jose. John is with you. Jose Pintor, morning. Valerie is here, yes, Valerie. Who needs a pencil? Michael? All right, so can I have everybody's attention, please? So, welcome to the class, Teddy. We have Jose, we have Jacqueline, so we have some new students. So, everybody who's new, and of course, Sarah, don't worry, you missed a little bit of the beginning, but wherever you were in your old school, we're probably picking up on that. If not, we're going to catch you up on everything, I promise, okay? So what did we learn about yesterday? What was the first half of this lesson? Who remembers? What kind of functions? What kind of graphs? What is the word? What is our learning target?
Absolute value.
Absolute value, right? And how did that graph look? I see your hand. What shape is that? What letter is that? V, right? V shape. And what is the... Gentlemen, please. Folks, let's get through this, okay? What is the point on the graph that touches the x-axis, or is the point where it turns, right? Depends. Carol, you remember what that's called? Also with the V? It's in your learning target. Miss Duran?
Is it the vertex?
Very good, right? Or vertex, right? So, gentlemen, do we need to separate you? Are we going to focus on the lesson? Okay? All right. Did we try our do now while I was taking attendance and welcoming our new friends? Yes or no? Did anybody do it? No? All right, guys. Stephen, what about your group? Did you guys figure this out? Not yet. Okay, then we're going to do it together as a class. All right? So remember, Ruyu Ruyan. If we didn't do our lesson yet, then pay attention up here, okay? Anything inside here, what happens to that x? What is that? What does this absolute value symbols mean? What do those two lines mean? Okay?
Well, up and down.
They are correct. They are parallel. But from yesterday, right? What did we do? What is happening to this negative x? What is that absolute value symbol doing to it? It's making it. Did we have any values below the graph yesterday? Bigger. It makes it negative or makes it positive, right? Everything inside of here is always positive. Okay? So if I have a refresher, what's the difference between these two?
Positive 5, negative 5.
But what's the value of each?
One is bigger.
Are they? Or are they exactly the same?
Well, I wouldn't classify it as that because negative 5 is negative 5.
But this absolute value, remember what we did yesterday. What did we do? What was the guess? Who guessed closest? Was it Ruyu? What'd you say? Say it was 67, right? She said, all right, so whatever. So if it was 68 and the correct answer was 67, we were off by 1. The distance was 1, right? This was our correct answer. What's the distance? What's the distance from 67 to each of those wrong guesses? 1, right? It's positive. So that's why we say our absolute value is always positive, right? It's distance. It's distance on the number line, okay? Of course. All right, so let's go to our recorded temperature. Who can read the Toronto? Valerie, I would ask you, but you have a mouthful of food. Damaso, please. En español es okay. Toronto.
Toronto es una ciudad fronteriza entre Estados Unidos y Canadá, justo al norte de Buffalo, Nueva York. Aquí se presentan las estimaciones de la temperatura promedio de Toronto en grados Celsius en febrero de 2017.
Okay? So what is the average temperature in Toronto? What is the average temperature in Toronto? 0 degrees, right? So if we get a temperature that is 5 degrees, what is our departure from average? And remember, we have these absolute value signs here, the positive, the distance. How many degrees is it different from 0?
-5.
5, thank you. 5, right? Cinco, positive. And what about 2? And what about -5? Very good, Miguel, right?
Everything is possible.
Everything is positive. Very good, Michael, right? All the way down. So I need everybody to write this on your sheet because I'm collecting these sheets today. It's not homework. I'm collecting them. We're going to grade them on the spot. Okay? Everybody understand so far? Good. Where is my vertex here? Where is my vertex on? If this was our graph, where would my vertex be? Tell me, Michael, say. I want to see. Show me. Hold it up. Hold it up. Michael, that's fantastic. Where is my vertex? ¿Dónde está el vertex? Where? Say it. What's the number? 0, 0, 0, right? Right? I see it on your graph. Why? Can you explain why, Michael? En español, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué, Michael? And you guys should be a lot neater on your paper, right? Who can explain what Michael drew? Why is my vertex at 0, 0? Okay.
Because 0 is the average temperature.
0 is the average. So if we record a 0, like we did on this day, right? That's exactly at our average. Maybe they labeled it as guess. We'll say this should be temperature, and this should be departure from average, right? Makes a little more sense, right? Paulino, it makes sense to you?
Yeah.
Hugo, you with us? Okay, so that is our absolute value graph. Now, my question is, and think about this. Let's say it in Spanish. If we actually said, no, our statistics were wrong. The average temperature in Toronto is 5 degrees. How would that change our graph? How would it look different?
Si realmente dijéramos que no, las estadísticas estarían equivocadas.
Our numbers were wrong. The average temperature in Toronto was 5 degrees. How would my graph look different? How would it look the same and how would it look different?
Nuestros números estaban equivocados. La temperatura promedio en Toronto era de 5 grados. ¿Cómo se vería diferente mi gráfica? ¿Cómo se vería igual y cómo se vería?
How would it change? Miguel? The view, explain that one.
Because zero, because of the average temperature is 5, then the absolute guessing error for 0 would be from 5, and then the rest will go down.
We're flipping the V?
Yeah.
That's interesting. I'm trying to visualize what you're saying. You're saying it will be something like this. At 5?
Yeah.
Something like that? So our departure from average would probably be, this would be a point here, right?
Yep.
But is our V going to go up or down? It's always going to go, in this case, it's still going to go up. So you see what Miguel said? I like this because we do have this point here. But we're just going to shift it, right? So Miguel, yes, this half of the V is correct. We're just shifting, right? So keep in mind, if our average temperature was 5, the day we recorded a 5-degree day, our departure from average would be 0, right? Make sense? We have to touch the graph there. So yes, part of your graph was correct. But we just shifted. Make sense? So good, good. I like that. I like that. Not entirely off. All right? Okay, so now what I would like to do is we're going to graph function A, okay? Teddy, can you read what function A, what it gives?
The function A gives the distance from x from 0 on the number line.
Right, so thank you so much. So the distance from x on the number line. Valerie, how far is 8 from 0 on the number line? Right, so if we have our number line, right? We have our 0. How far is 8?
8.
Yeah, that's it, right? Simple. How far is pi from 0? Lionel, right, 3.14 or pi, right? Same thing, good. It's pi, right? Be as accurate as possible. Now we do the reverse. This is where it's a little tricky, right? My distance is 5.6. What is my x value? So now the function's value, right, the absolute value function's value is 5.6 positive. What is my x value?
Ahora, las funciones de valor absoluto son 5,6 positivo. ¿Cuál es mi valor x?
Luciana, can you explain what it means in Spanish for Anthony and everybody else? So this 5.6 is telling me that it's 5.6 units away from this center value.
5.6 es cada una de las unidades que están lejos del 0. Entonces, si dice 0, o sea, ¿cuántas unidades faltan a 0 para llegar a 5.6? Pues 5.6.
Where is it? Where is my 5.6 on the number line? At 5.6, but is it only 5.6?
Negative.
Thank you, very good. Negative, so we had two values, so what are we going to put here? Which one can we put? We can put either one, right? I see a negative 5.6 here, which is also going to give me a positive 5.6 for the function. So I'll put a 5.6 positive. But if I put negative 5.6, is that wrong? Of course not. Very good. All right, so what I would like you guys to do now is complete this chart, and then I would ask some volunteer to come and sketch the graph, okay? Make sense? What's not making sense? So you're going to complete the graph here, right? 8 by 1/2, 5.6, or negative 5.6. Yeah, right? That's it.
¿Yo?
Why it's gonna be both? Because it's this one, right? So this one is the answer. Right? So if it's positive, we don't know. It can be that, it can be that. It doesn't have enough information. It can be both, right? Because look, Michael, no, I'm gonna show you. Go have a seat. Okay, if you want to. So 5.6, negative, okay? 5.6, positive. Same function value. The value of the function is the same. Okay? Make sense?
Yeah.
Same thing, either one. I say, it can be both. It can be this, or it can be this. You choose, okay? It doesn't matter, all right? Can you graph on the board? Wonderful. Just draw on the board. It's okay? One G, you wanna do? Steven? Michael? Okay, go have a seat. We'll do it together. Elizabeth, you want to? Okay, what's the problem right here? How's it gonna look, Elizabeth? Sarah, yes? Elizabeth, can you explain to Sarah? Guys, who has this one? Anybody?
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Rango. There you go, sir.
Thank you so much.
It does, right? Yesterday felt the exact opposite today. I'll see you later. Thank you. Valerie, how does your graph look? Guys, I'm collecting this, so you all better have a graph, okay? Michael, we're gonna do it together, I promise, I promise. Well, which one? Either side, either one, right? They both work. You understand one, right?
Yeah, it's the same distance.
Same distance, exactly, yes.
But I put,
Positivo, everything positivo, see? So how does it look? How does the graph look? Roll me a graph. So X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, right? This is our X, this is our Y, this is our X, this is our Y. So your graph. Ocho. Yes, you may, Michael. Okay? Yes? No or yes? See? Ariana, yes or no? Wilfredo? Let's complete our chart. So everything, why is this negative here? Everything's positive, right? Is distance ever negative? Can you walk negative 10 miles? Everything else, what are we missing here? You're missing something here for 1, right? So the output is 1, what's your input? Could be -1, could also be +1.
So do I just put should I put positive or negative?
Whatever you like. Either way, since they already have a -1, I would put +1 so you have an extra
There is
point.
no -1.
There is on the left. Down both. But it's fine either way. It's not wrong. Yes. Yes, but where is your graph? Yes. Who has a graph? Who wants to come graph it on the board for us? Super simple for participation points. Which one? This one here? It's -1 or 1, right? Can it be both? It can. So if you put, Elizabeth, if you put this, you're right. We already have a point there, so I said, let's add one more point. But it's not wrong, 100%. You're right. Miguel. Miguel has so many participation points, you can start giving them away to your friends.
No. Wait, so like, where do I put it? Here?
So where's your vertex?
I'll just do like this. I can put points.
Yes. Miguel, that's outstanding. And this just gets reduced to our absolute value function, right? A of x equals the absolute value of x. Not Miguel, somebody else? Where is my vertex here? Where is my vertex of this function? Salvador? 0. Thank you. Next time. 0, 0, right? Okay. All right. Yes. Jacqueline, make sense to you? Any questions? Michael, you understand? Jacqueline, can I move on? You good? All right, so let's not worry about this one. We touched on that yesterday. All right, so now for the next 10 minutes, okay, what I want you guys to do is notice the 5 graphs we have here with their corresponding equations, okay? So this is what we just saw with a of x, right? Function f is the same. And then how does using that 2 as an addition or a subtraction inside or outside of the absolute value, how does it change the graph? So take a look at that, all right? And then after that, what I would like you guys to do is find the missing equation and graph it on your empty graph E, okay? What are we doing, Valerie? Yep, on our practice with a partner, we're going to use this as a reference, and we're going to match these and draw the one that doesn't have a match, okay? And I am available to come around and help everybody. Okay, Michael. Práctica con el compañero. Las compañeras. So, you see, you notice, this is our function, same one we graph, right? What happens when we subtract 2 inside the absolute value? We move over, right? When we subtract 2 outside, see the difference? So now, use this as a reference, okay? And you can put some values, some table values if you want.
Like that?
That is perfect. That is outstanding. Why? Because when x is 0, my function is -6, right? Perfect. Very good. Just like that. All right? So now, when you say to Elizabeth, please explain to me. Jose, how we doing? Bueno? Enfermo? Poquito? Salvador, you get it? Yeah, when you get there, what's going on here? Let's take a look at this one. Let's all look at this first graph. All right? What's happening here? What are we doing? Does it look like we're adding or subtracting? We're bringing it down. So what is that? Subtract, right? Where is our subtraction going to be? First of all, it's going to be so we know it's not going to be here. So it's either this one or this one. Which one is it? Yes, very good. So now we can write it. We know that this is here. And then similarly, we're going to go here and find which one is which. But there's 4 graphs. Why is good? Maria, good? You go? Wilfredo, what happened? Sleepy? Okay, you fine, and then draw the other one, okay? Teddy, how we doing? Teddy? Good morning, how are you? Sleepy? Right, right, Mañana, why don't we go? How we doing? Sure. So we're just looking to see what, this is kind of like a guess, right? So here, this is the same function we had before, right? It is x, right? And x equals 0, y equals so, it's just that the y can't be, right? Yes, 1 second. Okay, so over here, right, notice what's going on. When my x is 2 on the inside, right? 2 minus 2 is 0. So we know that when x is positive 2, y is 0. So this should be this. So if we have a negative inside the absolute value, we shift it to the left. If we have a positive inside, we shift it to the left. Right?
Sorry.
And x is negative. Make sense? When it's outside, right? In this case, it's negative, right? And now you have, you understand, right? You work with Jacqueline, and take a look at those. There's 4 of them, one doesn't have a match, you're gonna grab their equation.
收照片，给我那个收个毛泽东的照片，这是不是你们的领导人啊？我说这是你们的爸爸，然后让我踢我个，哎，给你踢我个天上太阳，然后他就问我，你是不是吃过？你们国家是不是那个新冠传染病？
So think about,
新冠的起源。
when x is 3, what is y? Where's my x? Más, no four. Where's más?
6.
So that would be 6. So no. Okay. When x is 3, what is y? Is it? So it's 3 When the negative is inside, you move to the right. When the positive is inside, you move to the left. Okay? Yes. Bueno, this is bueno. Okay, breathe, equation. Yes. Look at B. Let me show you why. ¿Entiende o no? Okay. All right, guys, really quick. We're running out of time, all right? My first one, what is it? What equation is this?
6.
What, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? 3, right? Very good. Equation 3. Y equals x minus 6. That 6 is outside of the absolute value. So that means it's working on our y. Because it's negative, we move it down, right? Okay. What about this next one? A lot of you got tricked.
1.
1. Miguel says 1. Elizabeth, agree or disagree? Disagree?
No.
You still disagree? Agree or disagree? Now you agree. Michael? Why? Because, how do we do it, right? Let's find where our vertex shifted, right? Let's substitute. When x equals 3, we subtract 3. We know our point is 3, 0, right? Make sense? Who wants to give me this one? What about letter C? Ariana, did you figure it out yet?
5.
Miguel and Michael say 5. So the plus moves it to the left. The negative 6 moves it down. Great. And then letter D? 2. Yes, very good. Who agrees? Anybody agree? Yeah? Okay. Tommaso, which one is missing? Which equation is missing? Equation 4, right? Right? You don't have that one. Perfect. Yes. I'm going to move. I'm going to let you guys copy. This one? Who's going to graph equation 4 for me on that empty grid? Damaso, you're going to do it, right? See?
No.
Yes, why not? You had your ice cream this morning? Yes. Talk, Michael, I'm here. Yes, he eats ice cream for breakfast. Okay. You want to try, Jose?
Wait, what was the question?
The last one, this last one right here, y equals absolute value of x plus 3. Oh, you didn't do it yet. Anybody have it? Miguel, you have too many points. I can't. You've exceeded the limit. Who's going to do it? Who's going to do it? I need one more volunteer. Elizabeth? Michael?
Let me check.
Do any of you have this one? Damaso, you want to do it, don't you? Ruyan? You want to give it a shot? Many points. Many bonus points for you. Angie, no? Too tired to walk 15 feet to the board? Many bonus points. Anyone? Jacqueline, you want to give it a shot? All right, guys, we have to move on. We only have a couple minutes left. I got to move on.
Can you go back up real quick?
Literally 1 second, and then we got to move on. All right.
Okay, I'm good.
You're good, Damaso, you good? Yes, no? All right. Guys, so the opposite, okay? When Michael, you want to try?
No, this is alright, I don't know.
Let me see. Michael, it's good, but half is good. Thank you, Jose. Michael, half is good. So what Michael has here is -3, right? But Michael, is it going to go down here?
Yeah.
Or is it going to go, remember?
It's gonna go up.
It's positive, so it's going to look, what's the shape? A V, right? A V. How you say it? Uve? Uve? No. How you say it? Uve is you? Am I saying? What is that, grape?
I don't even know what you just said.
All right. How do you say V in Espanol? Ve, right? Always. Why? Because when my x is -3, my y equals 0, right? My vertex is, excuse me. Okay? Make sense?
Yes.
Poquito? That too? Prison, right? Prison. All right, guys, let's move to our final. All right? Let's go to our lesson synthesis. What did we learn today? Okay? Salvador, can you read this one in Espanol? Lesson synthesis. Why? Why are no points negative? Why are no points? Why is nothing below the x-axis? Why? Because an absolute value function, the function is never negative. Thank you. All right? Okay.
Good morning, Queens Academy High School staff and students. Students of Buena Vista Social Club trip on March 11th is now full.